Giving you expensive grandma perfume energy. Hello beautiful glam girls, glam fam, glam everyone, welcome back to my channel. Okay, I just got home from a day of shopping, so I was in the middle of vlogging that, but when I got home I had my Asos package and I literally ordered this stuff yesterday. I don't know how, in what planet, in what magical universe they were able to bring it so quickly, but yeah, I ordered it yesterday. I have the like 1-day shipping option, but usually it takes like 2 days, you know, like the day you order, the next day, and then you get it the next day. No, I literally ordered this stuff yesterday and it came already. So anyway, really excited to give you guys a quick haul since I was personally like opening the box, trying everything on. I was like, why not make this into a haul video really quickly for you guys? So I hope you enjoy this. I will link everything down below. I think all of this stuff, most of it I got on sale, so some stuff might not be available because it was on sale and it sells out, but I will try to leave everything down below. Even if it's sold out, I'll just leave the link in case you want to come back to it if it ever comes back in stock. Anyway, yeah, let's get into the haul. I'm very excited. Okay, so the first thing is a pair of shoes. I'm actually wearing them right now and I love them. I'll put a picture of them here just so you guys can get a better view before I show you them on my feet. Guys, hello, stop. My dogs are playing, sorry. But they're on my feet right now and they are so comfortable and so cute, and they're actually for wide width feet. I love them. So let me show you how they look on my feet. Here's the picture. I'll show you what they look like on now. So here's what they look like on my feet. My dogs want to be in the video too. So here's what they look like. I am wearing a size 9, I think 9.5, and I am obsessed with them. They're so comfortable. There's actually a lot of space in here. You can see that it's like wide on the top, but they still look super chic, and I love like this chunky design here. Very trendy right now. Obsessed with the gold buckles and the gold buttons. There's a gold chain and there's a zipper. There's lace it. I love that it laces, there's buttons, and then there's like a gold buckle and a gold chain, and I just love the gold detailing. It's just super chic and cute. Obsessed. Okay, so the next thing we have here is a coat, and I'm obsessed with it. I really hope it looks good on. So I have you guys know I have a lot of coats. I just love coats in the winter and the fall. Even in the spring, jackets and coats just really are a great way to dress up your outfit and still be comfortable, because you can get away with wearing like the most comfortable basic things underneath, but a good coat or jacket can really elevate the whole look. So this one is more of like a shacket style, but it has buttons and it also has the wrap kind of style here, so it gives it more of that chic look, but it's shorter than my other ones. So all the other ones that I have are like floor length. They like cover my whole body. So I needed something that was more of a hip length, and I'll show you guys more. This is how the coat looks. I think it looks so good. It's like the perfect hip length. I love the tie waist here because it just adds so much definition to the figure. And I think it just really helps it look so nice on the body. My issue with Asos coats is usually that the sleeves are like always so long and big on me. I have small little petite arms and wrists, and the sleeves on all their coats look so big, and it's like I don't want to have to get it tailored, like, you know. But besides that, I love their coats and I'm obsessed with this. I love that it has pockets. It's just a great option. Okay, you're gonna think I'm crazy. We have another coat. This one is black and it's like a faux leather. It's like a double, like with faux leather and then just black like jersey material. And I got this one because it was on sale, and also it had mixed reviews. Like, it looked really nice in the photos, but then there were people that were like, oh, the faux leather looks like plastic, like it just looks really bad, it's not what I expected. So I was like, you know what, let me give it a try, let me see. Okay, this next piece is a button-down, white button-down dress shirt. I'm not sure why I got this. I was like, oh, I could use like a nice button down that's not for the beach, because I have two, but they're both like beachy ones. Because for me, like shirt dresses never work. First of all, I'm too short and my thighs and my butt are too big. So they're either too short on me or they don't really fit my proportions properly. So I'm gonna try it on. As usual, they never really fit me. My hips are just way too big, as you guys can see. But I think as a button-down shirt, this is really nice on me, and I like all the extra room. I love that it covers a lot of my hips and like my booty. And I think that this would be the perfect like white button-down to wear with jeans, where you just kind of like tuck one side in and leave one side out. It's like super crisp and structured. I love the fan detail on the wrist here. It's like super Rachel circa 2003, her like going into, you know, live in Paris, you know, like very structured 2000s business vibe, but like in a good way. Then I'm wearing this like chunky gold necklace with little gold hoops, and like just this right here is like a vibe. I feel like I could give you some pose, giving you expensive grandma perfume energy. But like, I live for that energy, you know? It's a classic, darling, a classic. Not old, darling, a classic. Okay, next thing that we have here is also a very classic kind of piece. It's your run-of-the-mill classic, like 90s, 2000s ribbed turtleneck, black turtleneck. I love, love, love these because this is like a thin sweater material. And I love these kinds of button downs because, or this kind of material, it's like that ribbed, stretchy material where it's not too thick. So here is the black turtleneck. It is a little bit shorter than I thought, but because it's a size 16, could be that. It kind of like ends right at my waist. But honestly, this is usually okay because I'm gonna wear it with like high waist leggings or something, and then I'm probably gonna have like a coat on top because this is more of like a layering piece. So I love the fan detail again. This is very 2000s. Okay, the next piece we have here is a plaid blazer like coat. There's just something about a plaid blazer that is just so like nanny vibes, just classic vibes, kind of like waspy, you know, Connecticut, Chanel vibes. And it's been hard for me to find a good one. This is also like a really cute vibe right now with these boots on. It's very UK money vibes, you know? And it has these gorgeous buttons. And then the way it just flows down the body, it almost feels like you're wearing a blazer dress. Like it just has this really beautiful look to it. So that is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this real, never been tried before try on haul. I don't know what to call it. You guys know, real reaction, first impression try on haul type of thing. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you want to see more of these. I'll leave everything in the description box. Love you so much. Stay glam, and I'll see you in the next one. And if you didn't have a great Christmas, I hope you have a great Happy New Year. And if you had a good Christmas, I'm happy for you. Let's pray for those who didn't have a good holiday season. And I'm wishing you guys all the love. Believe me, everybody's going through it. I'm going through it. I'm going through it. My mom has COVID, so I understand the struggles, and I'm here for you guys. So love you. Stay blessed. Bye.